So, what is mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem? The condition that needs to be satisfied for mean value theorem is the function must be continuous on the closed interval a to b, and the function must be differentiable on the open interval a b. Then, so let's consider a function like this. Let this point be a and this point be b. Y value corresponds is f of a and this is f of b. The function is continuous and differentiable at all point. So the average rate of change of the function from this point to this point is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So there must be a point C that exists between interval a and b where the instantaneous rate of change, that is a differentiation at that point, would be the same as the average rate of change. This average rate of change is equal to the instantaneous rate, and this point is called as, let it be C. So using mean value theorem, find where the instantaneous rate of change is equivalent to the average rate of change. First, let's find the average rate of change. So the value function at -4 would be -4 whole 38, then -18. So the average rate of change would be f of b minus f of a over b minus, so this is average rate of change, -10. Now, y prime would be, differentiation of the function would be 2x minus 5. So the point where this is instantaneous rate of change y prime and this is the average rate of change. So instantaneous rate must be equal to the average rate. So let's find out this value. So it will be 2.5. Now we know that this value would lie between -4 and -2. So the Rolle's theorem says that if a function is continuous on the interval a to b and the function is differentiable on the interval a to b such that f of a is equals to f of b. So let's consider the function like this. So this point, let it be a, corresponds to both the point a, b, same. Okay, let's see f of a and f of b. They both are same. So it says that there must be a number c such that f prime of c would be 0. So there must be a point where the slope, instantaneous rate of slope, is equals to the average rate of change. Average rate of change is 0, so it's the horizontal line. So it must be equal to this. Now let's see, y prime would be 2x plus 4. So according to Rolle's theorem, there must be a point where it is 0. So 2x x equals to -2. And we know that -2 lies between -1 and -3.